I built a simple form out of lumber and used some scrap pieces to brace the corners so nothing kicked out when I poured. Then shovel concrete into the form and jig it with a hoe or a concrete puller. Then screed it with a straight 2x4 until the top is flat. Use a hand trowel to add small bits of concrete wherever you have low spots. Then smooth the top as best you can with the trowel. It doesn't have to be perfect at this point, but the entire form has to be full and the top should be flat before you move on to the next step. When you see bleed water rise to the surface, you can start troweling the edges for the first time. When you touch the concrete, it should feel a little firmer but still wet. The purpose of the first edging is to separate the concrete from the form, so don't worry if it doesn't look perfect. Glide the edger back and forth with light pressure, and clean the top of the wood as you go, so no dried bits of concrete flake off and drop into the slab. When you're done with the edger, let the concrete sit for 20 to 30 minutes. When it looks dry, touch it in a few spots. It should be firmer than it was before, but still a little wet under the surface. Next, you glide a trowel over the slab until cream rises to the top. This is how you get the concrete surface super smooth and level. When that's done, wait about 5 to 10 minutes and edge the concrete again. Then smooth the surface one last time with your trowel. This is the final pass before you start brooming, so get the surface as smooth as you can. Wait another 15 to 30 minutes until the cream on top dries, and then broom the surface. Run the broom lightly over the concrete, but don't apply any pressure on the broom. Its weight should be enough to leave a nice finish after you make a few passes. You finish the job by doing one final pass with the edger. By now the concrete should be much harder, so you'll have to apply a little pressure to get a nice edge. Push down lightly as you glide the edger back and forth over the concrete. Usually it takes me about 3, 4, sometimes 5 passes along an edge to get a really nice smooth finish. When you're all done, let the concrete dry for a day or two before you walk on it. It's okay to cover the concrete with plastic if you think it might rain, but make sure you don't let the plastic touch the concrete, or it could leave a stain.